Hey Shiv Bhakto, did you know there are 64 forms of Shiva's sculptures called Maheshwara Murtam from Shaiva Siddhanta? Check out the astounding forms right here. 1. Linga Murti, Shiva's shapeless ethereal form. 2. Lingodbhav Murti, Shiva emerging from the formless void. 3. Mukhalingama Murti, Shiva adorned with 5 faces. 4. Sadashiva Murti, a secondary form graced with 5 divine faces. 5. Mahasadashiva Murti, a cosmic grandeur with 25 divine faces. 6. Uma Maheshwara Murti, Shiva with wife Uma, also known as Parvati. 7. Sukhasana Murti, Shiva with Uma in a pleasant mood. 8. Umesha Murti, Shiva with Uma and in a Vardhana pose. 9. Somaskanda Murti, Shiva with Uma and Skanda. 10. Vrishbhantika Murti, Shiva with his Mount Nandi. 11. Chandrasekhara Murti, Shiva with the moon in a crescent form. 12. Bhujanga Lalita Murti, Shiva with the moon and a snake. 13. Sadanritya Murti, as Nataraja with wife standing on a demon. 14. Ganga Visarjana Murti, releasing Devi Ganga from his head. 15. Ardhanarishwara Murti, Shiva and Shakti united in one form. 16. Vrishbharudar Murti, Shiva seated on the Nandi bull. 17. Bhujangatrasa Murti, Shiva with a snake and sacred fire. 18. Chanda Tandava Murti, Shiva's fury standing on a demon. 19. Tripurantaka Murti, Shiva and Uma riding on a chariot. 20. Gajasur Sanhara Murti, Shiva battling an elephant demon. 21. Sandhya Nritya Murti, Uma with Shiva holding a damru. 22. Gangadhara Murti, Ganga falls into Shiva's matted locks. 23. Kalyan Sundara Murti, Shiva getting married to Uma. 24. Jwarabhagna Murti, Shiva dances with 3 faces and 3 legs. 25. Shardhulahara Murti, Shiva sitting on a tiger skin. 26. Keshavarta Murti, Shiva and Vishnu united in one body holding a damru and a chakra. 27. Chandisha Anugraha Murti, Shiva gifting Kamdhenu to a sage. 28. Veenadhara Dakshina Murti, Shiva holds a veena. 29. Lakulishwara Murti, Shiva sitting holding his damru and trishul. 30. Vaduka Murti, Shiva in a Bhairava form holding a snake and a bowl. 31. Agostra Murti, Shiva in an Aghori form. 32. Guru Murti, sage Shiva teaches other sages. 33. Jalandharavta Murti, Shiva slays King Jalandhara. 34. Ekapada Murti, Shiva stands on one leg. 35. Gaurilila Samanvita Murti, Shiva with Uma, Ganesha and Skanda. 36. Brahma Shirachetha Murti, Shiva curses Lord Brahma. 37. Varaha Sanhara Murti, Shiva slays Varaha. 38. Shishya Bhava Murti, Shiva and Parvati with devotees. 39. Pasupatha Murti, Shiva in a larger than life form. 40. Bhikshatna Murti, Shiva seeking alms. 41. Vyakhyana Dakshina Murti, Shiva defeats a demon to restore dharma. 42. Kalanthakar Murti, Shiva emerges from fire to defeat a demon. 43. Bhairav Murti, Shiva accompanied by a dog. 44. Kshetrapala Murti, another form depicted with a dog. 45. Daksha Yagyahara Murti, Shiva slays King Daksha. 46. Ashwaruda Murti, Shiva seated on a horse. 47. Ekapadatri Murti, Shiva manifesting as Vishnu and Brahma. 48. Gauri Varaprada Murti, Shiva with wife Gauri, same as Uma and Parvati. 49. Vishaparana Murti, Shiva resting with Parvati. 50. Kurma Sanhara Murti, Shiva with Vishnu. 51. Prarthana Murti, Shiva with Parvati in a joyful mood. 52. Kankala Murti, Shiva in a standing posture. 53. Simhagna Murti, Shiva with 3 lion heads slaying a demon. 54. Yoga Dakshina Murti, Shiva as a yogi. 55. Kama Dahana Murti, Shiva burning the arrows of Lord Kama, the god of love. 56. Apatuttarana Murti, Shiva as a hermit. 57. Veerabhadra Murti, Shiva as a warrior. 58. Kirtha Murti, Shiva wielding a bow and arrow. 59. Gajantika Murti, Shiva accompanied by an elephant. 60. Tripada Trimurti, Shiva stands on one leg with Vishnu and Brahma. 61. Chakradana Swarupa Murti, Shiva gives Sudarshana Chakra to Vishnu. 62. Garudantika Murti, Shiva being revered by other gods. 63. Matsya Samhara Murti, Shiva in the form of a fish. 64. Rakta Bhiksha Pradana Murti, Shiva piercing a trident in Vishnu. Keep an eye on it and hit that like and subscribe button now to catch captivating stories behind each of 64 Maheshwar Murtam sculptures in the upcoming 64 YouTube shorts.